Twin Gift Exchange Christmas Edition.
Adorable gift wrap.
Bikini Bottom Buddies from Popmart. The real deal. Now in true blind box fashion. Which one do you want?
I feel like Cool Fish is iconic.
But I would be happy with any of them.
Yeah. This is also my first Popmart experience.
Who is it?
Drum roll, please.
Oh! Also iconic.
I love how big and plush it is.
Big. That's
He's
adorable.
Cute. Dazed fish.
Is he holding the magic conch? What is that supposed to be?
Oh, it's a glass.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dollar detail.
I just noticed that.
Mr. Krabs first dollar. That's good.
I love it. So cute. Oh, thank you, Sissy.
You're welcome, Sissy.
I love all the little details.
Yeah, I love it. It looks like a driver's license. Listen. Finally. Since they're easier to get now.
My first Labubu. Big into energy. The real deal. She went to the Popmart store and got this.
It is legit. Now, which one do you want?
They're all cute. Loyalty is calling me just because I love pink, but I'd be thrilled with any of them. Without further ado, who's it gonna be?
Oh,
how cute. Ashley, I finally have a Labubu. How precious.
The glittery eyes, the little painted tooth, the marbling on the fur.
Two-tone ear situation.
Ear, the
Yeah.
the painted nails. It is so cool.
Oh, I love it, Sissy. You're adorable. And they are Hope.
Aww.
I love that. How cute. Oh, thank you, Sissy.
You're welcome, sis.
I had a feeling you were going to get me a Labubu.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.